How to solve this problem? Here is the simple way to solve the problem.
Hello friends, I hope you, your family and you are fine and safe. Today I am here to tell you how you can solve problems related to your Android smartphone easily. You can troubleshoot your Android phone by your own. Android operating system remains the most popular Android phone in the world. With a vast number of manufacturers making Android powered phone, there are devices to suit all tastes and budgets. However, despite Android popularity, there has always been a problem. It may be related to screen, sound, memory, SIM, system version, sensor, connection problem, battery charging, camera, audio, phone vibration, and these all are somehow related to hardwares. So latest Android device gives you an application for troubleshooting your phone and solve common problem. If you are getting problem even after updates, so you can troubleshoot your Android phone with the help of phone manager. So here is the phone manager, allows you to diagnose most common problem and find solution to quickly deal with it. It detects common problem and solve auto detection like memory, SIM card, system version. So let's see how it will work. You just need to first of all optimize your phone. Here you can optimize with the help of optimize button. Just click here. This will boost storage, security, protection, system optimization. After that, you just need to click on the component check. Here you can see the phone name, CPU, RAM, storage. Just click on start check. Here you can see the auto detection like memory, SIM card, system version, and manual detection like sensor, common tests like Bluetooth, GPS, Wi-Fi, battery charging, buttons, screen, camera, audio, phone vibration. During detection, you need to follow instruction prompted on the screen of your phone. Just click on the check button and select items from here. Just click on the check button. After that, it will start checking full check of your phone, and you can also escape from here. Just follow the on-screen instruction for the check. Just click on start. Here you can see put your arm close to the upper part of the screen and remove all palm as shown below. Repeat this action and observe whether there are any change to this point while performing action. Yes, this is changing. Just click on the check button. After that, light intensity. Please place your palm close to the upper half of the screen and wave your hand as on the picture. Yeah, this is changing. Just click on the change. Place the phone horizontally with the screen facing up to ensure the accuracy of check result. Correctly position of your phone as mentioned above as tap done. This will check gravity sensor, gyroscope, magnetic sensor. This is normal. Now it's checking Wi-Fi switch, Wi-Fi connection, Bluetooth pairing, GPS switch, GPS connection. Please plug in the charger to check your charging problem. So I'm not checking charging, it needs charger. So just this is a check timed out, you can skip. Now we need to check buttons, so just press all buttons one by one and it will be change this color to green. So normal, just click on normal. After you tap check to start touch the screen using 2 or more fingers at the same time to check it's working or not. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's changing. 5. Does the number display on the screen match the number of fingers you used? Yes. After you tap check to start the test, your screen will start displaying different colored background. Check whether there are any dead pixels on the screen. Just click on the check button. It's changing its color to check pixel. Are there any dead pixels on the screen? No. Now this will check the display a gray background. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. It will check rear camera. Yes. It will check flash. Yes. It will check the screen front camera. It will check the speaker, sound played, now it's checking microphone, normal. You can check your earphone from here, matched, phone vibration. Now here you can see no abnormal items. If you found abnormal issue or item, you can fix it from here. And all check results are here. RAM, that is 4 GB of RAM, storage 64 GB, SIM 2 pieces detected. A signal strength of SIM 1 is good. Does SIM 2 have any signals? None. System version is up to date. Proximity sensor or normal. Everything is here normal. So this is how you can check your components. So with the help of phone manager component check, you can check your own application or Android phone easily and detect common problems and solve them. Hope you like this video. Just like, share and subscribe to know more. Thank you.